That is.
That's a good one. Okay.
Welcome back. It is 8:43 on a Friday morning, and ooh, it's hot in the kitchen. Hot, hot, hot. Scott Jones is here with Jack's Southern Modern Kitchen. Thank you so much for coming by.
Oh, well, thank you for having me.
All right, what are you cooking?
Well, what I am making, it is National Tequila Day, by the way.
Yes, happy National Tequila Day. I think just saying that you're cooking with tequila makes it sound like you totally know what you're doing.
Doesn't it? So, well, actually, I'm cooking with a very good tequila today. I'm using a Reposado.
Okay.
A Reposado is aged in oak for 6 months.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to do about half a cup to deglaze the pan. Now, what I did is I started with a dry pan.
Ooh, I smell it.
Don't you? That'll wake you up in the morning.
That will wake you up.
Hey, tequila's not just for margaritas anymore.
Right, okay.
A lot of chefs are really cooking with a lot of tequila.
Yeah,
now,
so you're deglazing the pan, so it's basically
so what I did is I started with a dry pan. That
Okay.
way I got those nice brown bits on the bottom of the pan.
I see.
In order for me to deglaze it.
Okay.
And that's going to add just a ton of flavor to this dish. So now what I'm going to add to this is, now that I've let that reduce a little bit.
Okay.
I've just made it to poblano sauce. So all it is onion, garlic, chicken stock, some roasted poblanos, and I zhuzhed it up in a blender with a little
and that's
cilantro and lime.
Okay.
That's it. So we're going to add that now that that has reduced a little bit.
And you said those were roasted, what are those called?
Poblano peppers.
Oh, poblano
yeah.
pepper. Okay.
You can buy them in the can, but they just have more flavor when you roast them at home, and it's so easy to do.
Okay.
Or you put it on a little burner and let it, get nice and brown and black. Put it in a bag to steam, and then you just peel it and take out the seeds, and that's all you do.
That's it, okay.
Yeah, and I use poblanos in so many things. So we're just gonna add that to the pan, and then we're gonna add some yummy cream.
That always makes things better.
Yeah, and this makes a lot of sauce, so we're adding absolutely.
Can I freeze some?
You can.
Okay, I like that.
Freeze it before you put the cream in.
Okay.
So we're gonna do that, and we've got the pan on high. We're just going to stir in the cream, and then
And
all we do...
basically just all kind of going together.
Yeah.
Okay.
All we do is then we just add the chicken back to finish cooking, and it gets this beautiful color over here, and we serve it over rice.
Okay.
That
it is
looks
fabulous.
delish. So we want to let everyone know, Jack's Southern Modern Kitchen, you guys do catering, delivery?
We're catering. We have a home delivery.
Right.
And we'll be opening our new place in October.
Oh, where's that
At the Farmers Market.
At the Farmers Market, that's right. You've got that in the works as well. Okay, we're going to put all the information as well as a link to Jack's Southern Modern Kitchen on our website, fox4news.com.